Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 22nd of June today, Thursday, and as we know, Bitcoin resumed its uptrend and it has been significantly rising lately. And today we will discuss what were the reasons and what can we expect next from the flagship cryptocurrency, what are the main bulls targets. And we have only one article by Artem Petrenko. The article was written yesterday. Over the past few days, we have witnessed a significant decrease in trading activity in the crypto market and a rise in bearish sentiment. But despite this, Bitcoin managed to recover locally to the 26,500 level and subsequently retest 27,500. And this process took place with growing volumes, which is always a sign of a sustainable upward movement. Then, trading opened in the US financial markets, which allowed for a substantial increase in bullish volumes. And as a result, in the second half of the day, the price of Bitcoin began a rapid and powerful upward movement towards that 28,400 level. And after the close of the trading session, bullish volumes continued to grow, leading the asset to reach 29,200. The overall decrease in trading activity prior to the bullish impulse significantly exaggerated bearish sentiment in the Bitcoin market, and the situation was further complicated by legal disputes between the Securities and Exchange Commission and crypto exchanges, as well as the classification of major digital assets from the top 15 as securities. And, and despite the overall negative backdrop and the Securities and Exchange Commission's actions primarily targeted altcoins but not Bitcoin, and this allowed Bitcoin to attract investors and increase the dominance from 46 to 50% in the last 5 days. And considering such a sharp increase in Bitcoin dominance, it can be argued that investment interest in cryptocurrencies is gradually focusing on the Bitcoin market, and this enables the asset to reach local highs. Also, it should be noted that Bitcoin whales have become significantly more active in the past week, and it is reported that large addresses holding from 1,000 to 10,000 Bitcoins have increased their reserves by 60,000 Bitcoins. And this process began simultaneously with the injection of over 250 million USDT into crypto market. Smaller investors also continue to actively accumulate Bitcoins, and Glassnode reports that shrimps and fish are acquiring over 2,200 coins per day. And as we can see, a phase of impulsive upward movement was preceded by an equally rapid campaign of Bitcoin accumulation. What's happening in a technical picture? Let's have a look. As of yesterday, Bitcoin was trading near the 28,900 level with a daily trading volume of $28 billion. Despite a significant increase in bearish activity, the price has come close to the 29,000 level, and this indicates that buyers are able to absorb bearish volumes and sustain the bullish price movement. And with such dynamics maintained, Bitcoin will continue its upward movement and potentially break through the 29,000 level. by the end of trading day, the asset will likely test 29,500 level. We will shortly see this on the chart for the moment. Despite the bullish sentiment, there are reasons to believe that near this level, 29,500, seller positions will significantly strengthen. And also on the daily chart, we are already seeing a gradual decrease in buying activity. The stochastic is gradually moving flat, indicating a potential decrease in trading activity. Considering this, the main target for bulls will be to establish a foothold above 29,000 level to develop the bullish trend towards 30,000. And making a conclusion, Artem says the following, and that Bitcoin has entered an active phase of upward movement after weeks of accumulating necessary volumes and 2 months of consolidation. Determining the medium-term targets for Bitcoin is quite difficult now, as in conditions of increased volatility, the bullish impulse can be fully or partially negated. It will all depend on the speed and success of achieving short-term targets, specifically the consolidation above the 29,500 range. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's the 22nd of June, and yesterday in the second half of the day, Bitcoin went up again from points about 29,000. It reached 29,900 and even 30,000 level, then retreated a little, and it closed the day at the point 29,951, and now it is trading at the point 30,097. So what does this mean? It's overcame that very important 29,500 level and steadily holds it. It's quite above it. Moreover, it holds so far even 30,000 levels. So we will see how fast and how far it will go in the next few days. And this is all for today. We will see each other in our next review tomorrow. As usual, I wish you a nice day and profitable trading. Till next time. Goodbye.